For today's video, we're going to model this spoon using mirror, extrude and fill. So, mirror is a modifier which makes your model symmetrical depending on where you set it. I mean, if you set it to the x-axis, it's symmetrical in the x-axis. If you set it to the y-axis, it's symmetrical in the y-axis. And if you set it to the z-axis, it's symmetrical in the z-axis. And if you do all, it's symmetrical in all of the places. But depending on where the origin of your model is. So, before we start the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get the video started. So first, add the circle. And then we can select the half of the circle and then delete it. That's because we're going to use the mirror modifier, which is in the modifiers. Over here. Like this. So now we can go to edit mode and then select this vertex over here. And then enable the proportional editing and then set it to the sphere. Like this. So now we can extrude this up like this. And then select this part. And now I'm going to make this part like this. And then we can fill these parts. Like this. So now we can add here some loop cuts and then move these parts like this. That's not going to let these parts separate. And so now we can smooth the vertices. Also, mirror is to make my object symmetrical, because if I move this part, that part moves too. So in this way, I don't need to work on the two places at the same time. Now actually, we can delete these parts because we're going to select everything and then extrude it up. Like this. And then add a loop cut over here and then scale it up. And then scale it up a little bit, then move it at the y-axis over here. Like this. Now we can select this part and then extrude it. So we can bevel this part so it becomes smooth, and also you can scroll up to make it even more smooth. And also I'm going to make this part a little bit thinner. Like this. Now we can add the subdivision surface modifier to make everything smooth. So add a new color and then make it a little bit gray and set the metallic to 1 because it's metal and the roughness to 0.350, like this. So now in the code we can set the weight to 1, the roughness to 1 and the tint a little bit gray, like this. Now the sheen, set the weight to 1, the roughness doesn't matter, and make it black, like this. Also I'm going to make this part a little bit like this. And that was all for today's video, which I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys have any requests for me, you guys can tell it in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Bye.